In this video I'm going to show you how to install rugged rad guards into this BMW GS. Now this is a GS1250, but rugged rad guards will fit into a recent model, BMW GS1200 and 1250. This is a 2-minute install, amazingly quick. So the rugged rad guards have a lot of strength built into them. You could drive a car over this material, it's so strong. You can hit it with a hammer and it won't collapse. And yet it only weighs a few grams. Very tough, specialized aerospace material actually. And so we've developed it for the GS. Now, the first thing you do is clean your radiators. Make sure there's not a lot of debris stuck in the radiators. Slide the rugged rad guard into the bottom of the radiator housing. Push down at the top. Push down at the top and snap it in. The tension of the rugged rad guard's honeycomb will hold it into the housing even when you're driving off-road. That's it. Very easy. 2-second install. And there you have rugged rad guards in this BMW GS. For removal, you'll simply grab the top edge, compress the rugged rad guard somewhat so that you can release the tension holding it into the housing. Pull it up past that lip and that's the rugged rad guard out. So if you want to clean up built up bugs or debris, it's easy to remove, wash, and then place back into your radiator housing.